Kurare muthenya wa gikeno kuri gikundi giki kia maafitha magana mana aria ni arugamiriri a matura ngurani kaunti-ini ya Mandera makihumbo thumbi thutha wa mathomo ma mieri iri. Hindi ya igongona riri, Gavana wa Mandera Ali Roba na murunawe wa Naikuru Lee Kinyanjui ni maratitirithirie bata wa maafitha aria maratungata thiini wa kaunti gukorwo makiamukira mathomo kuma kuri ruhonge rwa NYS.
Kusema pongezi kwa nyinyi wote graduates, pongezi hasa kwa wasichana wetu ambao wako hapa kwa sababu ya stigma iliopo. Kila wakati tunapata fursa ya kupata nafasi za kazi upande ya discipline forces, hatupati wasichana wengi kuweza kujiunga.
Oho kaunti ige ikiurio kuyukia ngwataniro ino kuona ino ni njira ya mwanya ya kugacirithia motungata ma uruti wa wira thiini wa thirikari cia kaunti.
It is a demonstration of government to governments, collaboration which should be emulated and scaled up, and I challenge my colleagues in the other 46 county governments to seize this opportunity to train the enforcement and inspectorate services with National Youth Service, who have immense skills and manpower and facilities to be able to transform within a very short time.
But I believe this institution can play a bigger role, not just here in Nakuru, but in the whole country and even within the region of East Africa. So a lot needs to be done. Let the people know the services that are available here. And I think also through COG, we will partner with my colleague governor to ensure that we do an MOU with COG on how some of these partnerships can be actualized.
Ngwataniro ino oho ikigathiririo ni atongoria age aria marekinyitie thiini wa igongona riri.
To the graduates, you are the face of the governor's office. The way you behave, the way you serve the people of Mandera at that mashinani level is how people will portray and see their governor and their county government by extension.
Haduini ha Kameme TV, Jitagogena wa Waduro.